And I'm pretty sure I won't be using these again. Gotta give me a jump bucket, jump box. Rock Auto to the rescue. I wish they really wouldn't have just cut this harness, or most of this damn harness. You win some, you lose some, but you live. You live to fight another day.
Yo, what's going on, y'all? Quick little video today. I recorded this back and this was like the day before Thanksgiving or on Thanksgiving. So it's a little old. It's just been taking me a minute to get it up and edit it, do the work. So I apologize for that. This is just a quick video of me I'm just going through tearing down 2J, trying to examine and see what it, the condition it's in. Currently the block is at the machine shop, so I got it all torn down. Didn't really see any real issues. The head gasket was blown on this motor, and there was water standing water sitting in the cylinders. Standing water sitting in the cylinders. Anyway, so that water kind of did cause a little bit of pitting in a few cylinders. So it's at the machine shop right now. I'm getting bored out to 87 mil. 86 is the standard stock bore, but I'm getting bored out to 87 mil. I also got some pistons that I already bought there at the machine shop as well, so they'll get it bored out and fit just for those pistons. I'm trying not to make this video too long. Like I say, it's not really, I didn't go into too much detail on it. It's just, I was just there tearing it down. As you see, started with the wiring harness and went from there, and I kind of went a little farther than I planned. But like I say, it's just wanted to get it torn down so I can get it to the machine shop to have it looked at to make sure it's okay block to use, and it was. So it'll be getting decked, high tanked, and bored and cleaned up and all that good stuff. Kind of already got an idea what I'm gonna do for pistons and rod. Well, not pistons. I already got the pistons. I'll show those to you guys once I get the block back from the machine shop. I'm out of town right now for a while, but I should probably have it. Probably get the block back around the end of February. I'll be on the move so much between now and then. I probably won't even be able to pick it up till then. But like I said, I'm still gonna try to keep this budgety. But I do think I'm gonna use it as use this motor because it's pretty good. $200, I couldn't beat that. And this will be the start for my hopefully drift car build. We'll see. Other than that, I see once I get parts coming in, I'll kind of show you all what I got. Can't really think of nothing else. I'm about to watch my 49ers play right now, so I want to leave this right here, and hopefully y'all enjoy it. Like I said, I have more stuff on the way. Peace.
So I've been struggling to get this VVTi cam gear off. So what I ended up doing, I knew I was gonna replace the timing belt. So I just wrapped the belt around. Kind of had to twist it up a little bit and got it on the cam gear, or the crank gear. That way I didn't actually have to hold it. The issue was I couldn't really hold it at the same time while I turned it. So did that, allowed the belt to kind of, once it get to a point where it stops, gave me just what I needed. I think I'm gonna call that a pro tip right there, you know. As long as you're gonna replace that belt, you're good to go. So that works out. So I'm gonna get those cam gears off. I'm gonna go ahead and get the cams off, and then take the buckets out. I gotta make sure I label all that. All right. A little bit of what's going on now. I say I'm still tearing this thing down. I know I didn't show too much. Most of us just get normal accessories off, which so it wasn't too hard. Got a pulley puller and pull the it's the timing belt gear. It's key, so it can only go on there one way. Pull that off. Y'all saw the VVTi cam gear, which was a pain in the, but the other gear for the exhaust side wasn't that bad at all. Took that off. Once you take that off, it gives you access to get this plate here off. And that kind of gives you access to the seals. The seals are usually under the front caps. I already popped them off. I already loosened all the caps. I gotta move a lot of the stuff out of the way so I can get this organized. But the caps are numbered. You might be able to vaguely see it. It says like, this one's E2, exhaust 2, and it shows the arrow to show which one's front. So front caps 1 goes back 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Same on the intake side. Intake says I2 for intake. I'm gonna go ahead and grab these. Let me get a box right quick. I want to throw them in a box kind of neatly. Oh, my bad, I got my turkey over there cooking, so I got a door open. Can't really mix them up, so I'm not too worried about how I put them in here. I think this car, like I said, had like a head gasket issue or something. Make sure I start from the back with this one. Push all of these down a little bit. The buckets I will have to actually number. I'll probably just do I for inlet and number them 1 through 12 in order from front to back. That way I can keep up with them. Like I said, I plan to get shimless buckets anyway, but I'll get that once I get everything situated, because I'm gonna have to measure. The cams. Don't be upset at me from just putting them down here. I am getting new cams anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. Just sit them down here. Exhaust cam, intake cam. They actually look in pretty good condition. I looked at them earlier. I already took the head bolts out. I get a marker once I figure out what I did with it, so I can number these shims or these buckets. Once I figure out what I did with it, can never find what I need when I need it. I gotta get a better tool set up. This is broke boy money. Oh, there it is. See, I'm only spraying this because it's all coming off anyway. Here, I'm sorry, but yeah, you can definitely see all the water is back. When see the threads still look good. There's definitely some leaking, looks like in here. Yep. Ooh, look at that. The rest are kind of oil leakage, but this looks like a single layer gasket. This isn't the non-turbo, so it actually may be a single layer gasket. Trash. Bearings actually don't even look that bad. So I don't know if whatever happened to it just recently happened. There is water in there though. All right, got the rear main off. That was just like 6 bolts. It's pretty easy, came right off. Had to replace the seal in there. Should be good to get the crank out.